You will need a mat to do the tabletop chest press and 2 dumbbells. So you're going to pick up your dumbbells before you lay back. Lay all the way back. You're going to bring your legs up to a 90-degree angle. Push the lower back down into the mat. We're going to have our arms not all the way next to your shoulders, but you want to angle them just a little bit. See the angle in the dumbbells? We're going to push up over our chest, back down, not all the way to the ground, almost, and all the way up and down. And when you're pushing up, make sure you squeeze those chest muscles together, all while pushing that lower back into the mat, keeping those abs contracted. Push and down, push and down. Push and release.